Okay, so we've had a couple questions on how a player on a team can inform a coach of whether or not they are going to be there. So this video is a quick one to show you how to let your coach know whether or not you are going to be at a practice. So you can start by logging on to or going to summitcommunityprograms.com, which is our department's website. I don't think I typed that right. Summitcommunityprograms.com. Once you're there, you scroll about halfway down the page and you click this register tab that will bring you to the Civic Rec portal. You then use this button that says login/create account. Everybody should have an account at this point. So you enter your username and password. And then once you do that, you're then still in the catalog here. And when you're in the catalog, you then click on this button up on the top left corner midway down the page where it says account. Click on account, it will bring you to what's called your dashboard. When you are at your dashboard, you can then have a module in the center of the screen that shows you all the teams that you're on. You can click the team that you are on. In this case, I'm on the Wizards, so I'll click on the Wizards. It then brings you to your league management page. This league management page is something you should be familiar with at this point. It shows you your entire schedule. If you use this tab up here that says full schedule, shows you any league schedules, and then also for your convenience shows you your game schedules right here. You can click on any upcoming game. So on the game on Sunday, January 22nd, I want to let the coach know that I am in. So you come here underneath the Wizards game roster and you click I am in, I will be here. If you can't make it, you click I am out. Pretty simple, and then the coaches can log on to the portal and they will see who on their team is in and who on their team is out for that game. If you have any questions, never hesitate to ask.